On top inside Edo today, to carry business waka far for Edo unto Obaseki government, Uber don Tanda for Edo. Obaseki administration don make Edo state sweet and cooler for business people. As e be say him plan na to make Edo the hub of business for south and na this one carry Uber eye enter Edo to do their business. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki talk am when he go launch Uber wey be global ride company. Say this launch na ogbonge thing and e show say Edo State ease of business and business-friendly environment na better one because this one go make Edo State be the hub of investors for the whole Nigeria. E come still talk say for the launch wey shele for Edo Innovation Hub, say make Uber management try to employ female drivers so that dem go fit work. For the Uber launch, na Edo State First Lady Mrs. Betsy Obaseki na go represent Governor Godwin Obaseki, and e talk say make females for Edo State remove body for illegal migration, make dem put body for Uber service wey don land gidigba for Benin so that dem go fit dey work, dey make money. Obaseki talk say as Uber don come Edo State, e go carry plenty ogbonge development come Edo State and e go create jobs for Edo people because e follow for governor vision wey e wan take create 200,000 jobs for Edo people. Governor talk say as him administration don almost dey complete Edo automobile park, say car dealers, mechanics and spare parts dealers na im go do it for the park. General manager of Uber for West Africa, Lola Kasim, talk say Uber don dey operate for Nigeria for 5 years now, and to celebrate their 5 years for Nigeria, na dem take come Edo State come do their launch. And Benin City na the third city where dem for dey operate after Lagos and Abuja. Senior Special Assistant to Edo State Governor on top skills development and job creation, Okinebo Dare, come talk how belle take sweet am on top say Uber don come Benin. As she talk say this one na ogbonge opportunity for Edo youths to take get work. She come still encourage investors say make dem come Edo come do their business because Edo State government don put ogbonge environment for ground to make Edo State investor-friendly environment. Senior Special Assistant to Edo State Governor on top investment promotion, Kelvin Oyb, talk say Uber waka come Edo State show say Edo State government don create business-friendly environment for investors so that development for Edo State go fit waka far according to how Governor Godwin Obaseki want am. And so we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Uber wey be global ride company don come do their launch for Benin City. Make una no forget say this ogbonge update na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. Make una not forget to subscribe, like, and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV. And for Facebook, you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media.